The Linden Town Week has rolled around again, and whether sun or rain, no one wants to spend it looking boring, going there with the same old clothing. Leap into the celebrations with smiles, in fashions from Dons and Divas American styles. Town Week is your time to impress, so let Dons and Divas present you well-dressed. Get into clothes that are fashionable, reasonable, and complete. Get yours in Linden at Lane's lower level, Daggerett Avenue and Pine Street. A world of clothing and footwear all in one place, with sizes, prices, and styles to suit your taste at Dons and Divas Exclusive Fashions. Turn a new page, take center stage, and give your personality the attraction it craves. Every item straight from the USA to make you the star of the show. Available only at Dons and Divas next to S&J Cambio, and only for this year's Linden Town Week celebration. So be unique, dress unique, and bring back the passion.
Dons and Divas
Exclusive Fashions.